Today's digital marketing world, standing out is more challenging than ever. The competitive landscape for brand and digital marketing agencies is crowded, with established names dominating AI-driven recommendations. But what happens when a brand is virtually invisible to artificial intelligence? This is the reality for some agencies, as revealed by a recent audit of leading language models. In this video, we'll explore how AI perceives marketing agencies, why some brands are overlooked, and what steps can be taken to break through the digital noise. Let's start by understanding the current state of AI visibility for brand marketers. Tested across 4 major language models, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity, one agency, BrandMarketers, scored an average of just 11 out of 100 for AI visibility. This means that in the eyes of AI, the brand is nearly invisible. ChatGPT was the only model to infer any details, and even then it relied solely on the brand's name, not real data. The other models returned a flat 0, indicating no recognition or knowledge. This lack of visibility has real consequences, as AI now plays a major role in shaping industry recommendations and client decisions. Let's break down the scoring matrix. Brand marketers receive minimal points in categories like brand recognition, product knowledge, competitive position, social proof, and technical clarity. ChatGPT gave some points based on name inference, but Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity all scored 0 across every metric. This means there's no meaningful data about the brand in AI training sets, no reviews, no case studies, no founder info, and no press mentions. The result: the brand is never recommended in AI-driven queries, and 5 competitors are always ahead in the rankings. Despite the low scores, there are a few positives. ChatGPT did not find any negative press or damaging associations for brand marketers. The brand's generic name allowed for broad category association, and there's a clean slate with no controversies. However, the critical gaps are glaring. 3 out of 4 models scored 0 in every category, there's no social proof, and the brand is absent from all recommendation queries. Without foundational data, AI simply cannot recognize or recommend the agency. Each AI model paints a different picture, if any at all. ChatGPT describes brand marketers as a digital marketing and branding services company, but admits it's not widely known or cited in industry discussions. Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity all state they have no reliable information about the brand, its services, or its reputation. This means that, for most AI-driven queries, brand marketers simply doesn't exist in the digital conversation, making it impossible for potential clients to discover them through AI-powered searches. Key risk emerges when AI tries to fill in the blanks. ChatGPT, for example, hallucinated details about brand marketers, inferring services and competitors based only on the brand's name. This can lead to inaccurate or misleading information being presented to users. In contrast, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity refuse to speculate, accurately stating their lack of knowledge. This highlights the importance of providing real, structured data for AI to learn from, rather than leaving room for guesswork. When tested with real-world queries, such as asking for the best brand marketing agencies or alternatives to top firms, brand marketers was never listed or recommended by any AI model. Instead, established competitors like Interbrand, Ogilvy, and Neil Patel Digital were always suggested. This means that without a digital footprint, brand marketers is losing out on potential leads in industry recognition, simply because AI cannot find or validate their existence. So how can brand marketers go from invisible to visible in the AI ecosystem? The action plan starts with establishing a basic AI-readable identity. This means creating or updating a Wikipedia-style about page, Crunchbase profile, and LinkedIn company page with structured information about founders, services, and clients. Next, build social proof by publishing case studies, getting listed in directories, and collecting client reviews. Finally, focus on authority building, publish thought leadership, appear in industry roundups, and create comparison content to enter AI training datasets. Truly boost AI visibility, brand marketers must invest in strategic content. This includes comparison articles like Brand Marketers versus Interbrand, listicles featuring top agencies, and detailed case studies with measurable outcomes. These content types are highly valued by AI models and help build a digital footprint that can be indexed and referenced. With consistent effort, the goal is to raise the AI visibility score from 11 to 60 or higher within 90 days, ensuring the brand is no longer invisible in the digital age.